Trimethoprim is an antimicrobial agent that inhibits the metabolism. Similarly, like sulfonamides, we'll study trimethoprim in comparison to sulfonamides. You can watch my previous video on sulfonamides. Trimethoprim is bacteriostatic, that is, it stops the growth of bacteria rather than killing the bacteria. Spectrum includes Shigella, Salmonella, Pneumocystis cerevisiae. Its mode of action is it inhibits dihydrofolate reductase. Now let's see how folic acid is synthesized. PABA and pteridine under the action of dihydropteroid synthase give dihydroteroic acid, gives dihydrofolic acid, which is acted by dihydrofolate reductase, which gives dihydrofolic acid. Now folic acid, as you all know, is required by bacteria for their growth, as it provides bacteria with DNA, RNA and protein. So what trimethoprim does is that it inhibits dihydrofolate reductase, thereby it blocks the synthesis of folic acid, thereby stops the bacterial growth, so is called bacteriostatic. So its mode of action is that it inhibits dihydrofolate reductase. Its use, it is commonly used in urinary tract infections. It can be also used for treatment of pneumonia, for toxoplasmosis prophylaxis, and its major use is that it's combined with sulfamethoxazole, and it gives a drug as cotrimoxazole, which is very commonly used. So its major use is when it's combined with sulfamethoxazole. Adverse effects of trimethoprim are it is teratogenic, that is, it cannot be given during pregnancy because it can cross the placenta and it affects the fetus. It causes hyperkalemia because it inhibits sodium channels. So because of inhibition of sodium channels, even potassium secretion cannot occur, so it causes hyperkalemia in our body. This megaloblastic anemia. Now even our body requires folic acid, our body also has dihydrofolate reductase. So when trimethoprim is given, it can block dihydrofolate reductase in our body and thereby block folic acid synthesis. So deficiency of folic acid causes megaloblastic anemia. It can also cause bone marrow hypoplasia. Now pharmacokinetics about trimethoprim is that it is more plasma protein bound compared to sulfonamides. It is more lipid soluble. It has a greater volume of distribution, that is, a major part of the drug gets absorbed into the tissues. It also crosses blood-brain barrier and placenta, just like sulfonamides. So this was all you had to learn about trimethoprim.